So I have some white chocolate truffles here that I would like to put into a gift bag, and I don't have one that fits this. So I'm going to make my own. So we're going to need a couple of measurements. First number we're going to need is our finished depth. So that is this measurement here, and it'll be the same for this section here. So measuring my truffles, I can see that it's about 2 inches, but I want to give some space, so I'm going to add a 1/4 inch to each side, so 2.5 inches. And the next measurement I need is the width. So this measures 4 inches, but again, I want to have some space on either side, so I'm going to go with 4.5. And then my tab over here is 0.5 inches. So I'm going to add all of that up, and that equals 7.5. So now I can use the finished depth here, bring that down. And then I need the finished height. So this ruler is not big enough. So I'm going to put it over here on this measurement. So it's about 8 inches high, and I want to have some extra room here. Let's go with 9 inches. And add that up. This number has to be less than 12. Then I can add in the rest of these. This is for a contrasting cardstock band and the inside bottom piece. So again, I can just move my numbers down. Finished width, that comes down here. Finished width comes here. And finished depth comes here. And those are the measurements that I need to cut my paper. So now I need to cut 2 identical pieces to form the bag. And I have 2 pieces of patterned paper in here. And this is going to be the outside of the bag. So it needs to be 7.5 by 11.5. So now we're going to do some scoring. So scoring at 2.5, because that is our depth. On the left side and at the bottom. And this right side gets scored at 1/2 inch. And then do the same thing with the second piece. So it's 7.5 by 11.5. And then scoring the left side at 2.5. And the bottom at 2.5. And the right side at 1/2 inch. And then I have secret C that I cut at 2.5 by 4.5 for the bottom. And then for the bands, I have 2 pieces cut at 1 inch by 4.5 inches, and I scored these down the middle. Now to do some cutting. So we remove this corner here. We're going to miter this little tab here. And miter it up here as well. And then this becomes a tab, so we're going to cut just up from the bottom. and miter. And we're going to do the same thing to this piece. Remove our corner, miter this little tab over here, create a tab here, and miter. And on to page 2. And this is how we adhere it together. So we're just going to add some adhesive here and place this here. And you can use liquid glue or you can use double-sided tape. I'm going to use liquid glue because that gives me some wiggle room to line things up. And then just line this up. And press to adhere. Now that I have that together, I'm going to fold on my score lines. And you can see the bags coming together. I'm also going to fold on these lower score lines. And then for this bit, I can fold that over flat. Add my adhesive to the tab. And then fold this flat. Then you can also look at which side, in case you didn't get this even on the side, look at the front and the back and decide which one you like better. And I'm going to say this is my front. So then push the tabs in. And this bottom one comes in and this will go on top. So I'm adding adhesive here. Squaring that up and gluing that down. Give it a little pinch here. Like that. Then I have these pieces. This will go right into the bottom, like that. And then I have these side pieces, and these are going to go on here. So it's a good thing to double check them to see if they're too long or not. I think they'll fit. So I'm going to fold and burnish. Make sure it fits. In case I need to cut some off. Nope, it's perfect. And do the same thing with this one. And that fits perfectly. I can add my glue here. And adhere down. Press to get that there. And there my edges are reinforced. And then I can just press like that. And here's my bag of truffles. And they fit perfectly inside the bag. And tuck your tissue paper in. And there you have it, a custom gift bag.
Find written instructions over on my blog at... If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and thanks for watching. Bye!